Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best hammer drill you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Hammer Drill, Brushless. If you're looking for a cordless hammer drill and have some cash to splash, DEWALT's DCD996B could be for you. This is one of the 20V Max range of tools. If you already have any of the others, you'll be able to use the same battery and charger. It's driven by a high-tech brushless motor. This uses an electronic circuit board rather than carbon brushes to constantly relay information from the motor to the drill. It means the motor speed can be adjusted in real time, depending on how much resistance the drill is meeting. The result is very efficient operation, extending battery life. You'll get 57% more runtime than with conventional motors. DEWALT says it's more than 80% more powerful too. There are only 3 speeds here, with a maximum of 2,250 revolutions per minute. But while you won't get the power of corded drills, you won't need to worry about that pesky cable either. And at just 8.4 inches long and weighing 4.7 pounds, it's easy to maneuver. A particularly nice touch is the integrated LED, with a choice of 3 levels of lighting. If you're trying to drill in a dark corner, it will make the task much easier. And if you forget about it when you've finished, it will switch off automatically after 20 minutes, saving the battery. There's a heavy-duty half-inch ratcheting chuck and a comfortable grip. And the drill comes with a couple of drill bits too. So far, so good. But are there any issues to be aware of? Well, the button to switch between forward and reverse action is a little on the wobbly side. It won't slip out of position. Pros: no cord to get. Brushless motor gives powerful and efficient integrated LED help. Cons: the switch. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max XR Hammer Drill Kit. This drill features a high-efficiency brushless motor and a high-performance transmission for fast application speeds and better run time. It has 250 BPM blows per minute for a fast drilling speed on masonry materials. It comes with 220 volts Max XR high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, 5.0 Ah, and a 3-mode LED light. This well-designed drill is heavy-duty, compact, reliable, and powerful. It eats through concrete, has high torque, is very versatile, and the transmission with the extra speed range makes it easy to control. The battery seems to run forever, which is good if you're using the drill for an extended period of time. Downsides include the fact that the drill is heavy, it weighs more than 11 pounds, and may be difficult to use all day. In addition, the battery may wobble or get loose when it connects to the drill. In addition, the gear selector may be difficult to stick at the second setting. There have also been some complaints that the drill has too much power for some jobs. For a better working experience, this tool comes with a 3-mode LED light, which helps drill in tight and dark spaces where natural light isn't available. Moreover, this tool's XR Li-ion battery has a fuel gauge that provides up to 33% more capacity than the standard packs, which leads to longer battery autonomy, thus more convenience. Number 3. Makita XPH12Z18VLXT Hammer Drill. Makita make expensive tools, but if you're willing and able to make the investment, they can be a good choice. So how does their XPH12Z hammer drill measure up? It's another drill that uses brushless technology. That means it's able to match the motor speed to the degree of drilling challenge. It won't overheat, and the fast-charging battery will last longer. And you'll get maximum power too. The 18-volt battery will power a choice of 2 speeds. On the low setting you'll get up to 500 revolutions per minute. Turn it up to high, and that will increase to up to 2,000 revolutions per minute. That translates to up to 530 inch-pounds of torque. If you're worried that all that power will mean a heavy drill, don't be. Including the battery, this weighs only 4.2 pounds. You won't be left with aching arms when you've finished drilling. If you need to work in tight spaces, you'll appreciate its compact dimensions. This is one of the shortest drills on our list, at just over 7 inches long. And it comes with 2 LED lights to help you see what you're doing. Perhaps the thing that separates this drill from the crowd, though, is its ability to cope with difficult working environments. Makita have designed it with what they call XPT Extreme Protection technology. It means the drill will cope with large quantities of dust, as well as being water resistant. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Hammer Drill, a ½ inch. This DEWALT drill comes with a ratcheting metal chuck with nitrocarbonization and carbide inserts that provides bit gripping tenacity, which is essential for drilling on concrete. For a better working experience, this tool comes with a 3-mode LED light, which helps drill in tight and dark spaces where natural light isn't available. Moreover, this tool's XR Li-ion battery has a fuel gauge that provides up to 33% more capacity than the standard packs, which leads to longer battery autonomy, thus more convenience. But let's not stop there. It has a secondary handle which can be rotated 360 degrees, enabling you to have a secure grasp on your tool, no matter what position you're working in. Multiple speed options give you flexibility and allow you to drill easily on different surfaces. It has dual mode functionality, enabling you to use it as a standard drill when you don't need added percussive force. This corded hammer drill is 3 pounds, making it a comfortable and manageable weight when operating it two-handed. This is also the best hammer drill for concrete among my selections, as it has a 5/30 seconds to 3/83 width capacity when drilling into concrete. That's a good range to work in without blowing out your motor. Without taking the next step up to a professional rotary hammer, the DEWALT gives you great drilling power. Number 5. PORTERCABLE 20V Max Hammer Drill. Another high-powered hammer drill is the 20V Max model from PORTERCABLE. The tool can deliver up to 27,200 BPMs and features a 2-speed gearbox with 400 to 1,600 RPMs, depending on the setting you choose. It also includes a 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck and 23 different clutch settings, so you can fit different sized bits designed for whatever job you have in mind. One of the best features of this device is its built-in battery charge monitor. You won't have to guess how much battery you have left, as the hammer drill includes a screen that keeps you up to date on the battery level. It also includes an LED work light to brighten areas so you can see more clearly. The one major downside with this hammer drill is that the lithium-ion battery is not included. You can order it separately, but it will cost a few extra bucks. Also, it works best as a DE tool and is not designed for more demanding jobs. A battery life indicator, and it even has a belt hook and magnets to store the bits. The battery and charger do need to be purchased separately though, but if you already have other PORTERCABLE cordless tools, you're good to go. If you're concerned about battery life, one customer who used this hammer drill to secure the bottom plate of a wall to a concrete slab confirmed. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.